Have you ever wondered how a $30 customer phone case on Etsy is made? Here's the crazy part, it can cost less than a cup of coffee to produce. Let's break down the real numbers and show you why this might be one of the smartest side hustle investments for 2026. First, the base phone case about $2.17 each. Transfer film, on average $1.32 per sheet, and the more you buy, the lower your cost drops. Ink per print, roughly 5 cents. Electricity using the H17 heat press, just about 1 cent per press. That means your total production cost per phone case is around $3.55. Now let's talk revenue. Customer phone cases typically sell for $20 to $40, depending on design complexity and niche. Even on the low end, say you profit $20 per case if you sell just 5 cases a day. That's over $3,000 a month in actual income. And here's what makes it even better. The H17 is beginner-friendly and efficient. It takes only about 6 minutes to create one high-quality customer case. If you've been looking for a practical, scalable side business, this might be it. Click the link below to learn more and start turning creativity into real income.